Introducing Beaky, the world's very first bionic underwater drone. Driven by a 4K UHD camera, bionic caudal fin, and a streamlined body design. Operate Beaky via your smart device or remote control. It's simple to learn and easy to use. Just turn it on and throw it into the water. Beaky will automatically balance itself. Swimming in the pool is boring? How about some underwater Quidditch? With the built-in obstacle avoidance system, Beaky can dodge automatically before hitting any obstructions. Use Beaky to play with your kids. They're gonna love it. And the caudal fin is 100% safe. You can also set up a route to free your hands. And you can watch your kids anytime. Go fishing with Beaky. Put it into the water. With the bionic design, it won't spook any marine life. Record your fishing experience with Beaky's 4K Ultra HD camera. Also, the Beaky's cute design might help you make some new friends. Want to give your loved one a surprise? Beaky can help with that too. Oh, and at any time if Beaky is low on power or losing signal, it will come back to the surface. The GPS positioning system will lead it back to the launch spot. Get into the water with Beaky. The waterproof controller can help you control Beaky while underwater. Explore the places you can access. Take underwater selfies with your friends. Or just simply have fun.
Please welcome Go Duo, the ultimate Bluetooth speaker. Classy, versatile, durable. For 9 years, the team at K&Z Technology have developed and manufactured OEM speakers for world-famous brands. Now, they're finally coming out with their own, and it does everything you've ever wanted in a pair of portable speakers. Throw on the carrying case, and you have a super durable portable device. It's water resistant and can take a beating. But that's not the best part. Go Duo can be instantly split into a stereo speaker system. The magnetic base connects the two speakers together and allows you to easily attach them to any magnetic surface, making them extremely versatile. When unlinked, each half can play as a standalone speaker. When linked, the two speakers will synchronize for a distinct stereo experience. Big bass, sweet highs. You won't lose sound fidelity with these babies. You can play them wireless or use the hidden jack for a quick hookup. Clean, sleek, modern. These are the wireless speakers you've been waiting for. Go Duo. Premium sound anywhere.
Walk 50% faster to be on time.
This is Paxil. The smart, self-cleaning bag is here. We know that life can get a little smelly, so we've created a bag that cleans itself and anything you put inside it with the push of a button.
I know what you're thinking. Does this really work? I'm Hess Wesley, one of the creators of Paxil, and I can assure you that this does work. We didn't invent this technology. NASA uses O3 to sterilize drinking water in space, and O3 has been used for years by professional sports teams, hospitals, and dry cleaners to remove odors and kill bacteria. What we've done is take that technology and make it compact enough to fit in a bag. And we've added UVC light, which is also used in hospitals to sterilize medical equipment. The O3 penetrates fabric to clean your clothes and shoes, and the UVC acts as an additional measure to sanitize exposed surfaces. So whether you want to freshen up your clothes while traveling, or you want to clean your bag after it held your smelly gym clothes, this bag can do that in under 35 minutes, and it does it extremely well.
Our unit is rechargeable, getting 72 hours of cleaning power with each charge. There are no cartridges or filters to replace, and the unit will get over 17,000 uses. The cleaning process doesn't use harmful chemicals and is FDA approved. The bag is reinforced with foam walls and has a lined interior for protection and durability. Paxil is also waterproof, made with durable water-resistant fabrics and zippers. As travelers, we all know that airplanes are notoriously dirty places, and that's why Paxil is the perfect travel companion. Because of Paxil's self-cleaning features, you can kill airborne odors, bacteria, and viruses that your clothing comes in contact with while traveling. This enables you to extend the life of your clothes so you don't have to overpack, and allows you to skip baggage claims, saving you $50 per trip in checked luggage fees. Many of us have travel pillows. When's the last time you cleaned yours? Now you can disinfect your travel pillow with the touch of a button. Paxil is spacious, lightweight, and fits perfectly below the seat and in the overhead compartments. There's a USB charging station for your electronic devices. The Paxil app controls your bag's technology via Bluetooth. Other useful features include a dedicated padded laptop compartment that makes going through airport security a breeze, a removable water-sealed shower pouch so you don't have to worry about your toiletries spilling all over your bag, and a dedicated shoe compartment with mesh lining that allows the activated oxygen to attack the bacteria and odors in your shoes. With over 10 pockets and storage compartments, you can organize just about anything. We spent hundreds of hours testing our cleaning system to tackle odors for good, and paid very close attention to detail, design, and fabrication to ensure that Paxil is a bag you'll love.
The B-Script Pro is the next generation of B-Script, the world's first universal lens adapter and rig system for all smartphones. The B-Script Pro is compatible with virtually any smartphone. Our new clamps are optimized for holding both small and large devices, and the redesigned lens mount is now adjustable on 3 axes for improved alignment even on phones with protruded cameras. The B-Script Pro is completely modular. It has a removable handle and lens mount assembly, allowing the user to modify their setup to their own personal preference. If you're looking for a tripod mount, comfortable grip paired with your favorite clip-on mobile lens, or a full-featured setup with tons of accessories, then look no further. The B-Script Pro can do it all. B-Script Pro, the world's most versatile tool for camera phone photographers and videographers.